Major NASDAQ components, a bit choppy in pre-market trading. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. Tesla looks like it's going to be slightly positive in pre-market trading and the open, but really at this point in time, it does look a little lackluster in the sense that we are essentially going sideways. This is a market that I think has a lot of noise around it, worried about perhaps deliveries, the future, the drama between Elon Musk and President Trump, whatever your situation is with Tesla, it seems like there is a decision coming, and we are forming a little bit of a triangle here. But one thing that Tesla has going for it is market memory. Market memory in the sense that eventually it goes higher. So I think you have more of a buy on the dip scenario with the 50-day EMA near the $320 level offering a bit of a floor and a breakout above the $340 level, perhaps opening up the next leg higher. Tesla's been left for dead multiple times. It always bounces back. There's really nothing on this chart that tells me it's going to be any different this time. Palantir looks like it's going to open slightly lower based on pre-market trading, but nothing that I would be overly concerned about. A pullback to the $175 level would be welcome as a potential value play, just as a drop to the $160 level might be, as it is the bottom of the gap that occurred after the earnings report. Nonetheless, this is a very bullish market, and I just don't see how that changes. If it falls, just let it fall, wait for it to bounce, and then you start looking for an entry. It's that simple. With a trend like this, it's just the same thing over and over again. We get a pullback. Eventually people say that it's too cheap and they start buying. It's hard to fight this type of momentum. Super microcomputer is sitting right at the 200-day EMA, which is also sandwiched by the 50-day EMA being just above it. At this point in time, we're basically in the middle of the larger consolidation area, and I think this is a market that, despite the fact that it continues to have bad earnings reports, there's just a general interest in this market, mainly due, I would assume, to AI. But I know accumulation when I see it, and that's really what we're seeing. This time of year is a little bit quiet because of a lack of volume. So a breakdown below the 200-day EMA is very possible. It could send super microcomputer down to $39, possibly even as low as $30. But a buy on the dip scenario seems to be presenting itself yet again. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.